Hello guys, this tutorial will walk you through how you set up your Telegram mobile application with the IPGovernor cloud. Okay, it's a simple process. All you need to do, open the Telegram app the way I have done that. Okay, go to this. Okay, go to contact. Not now. Go to search and find out the IPGovernor. Okay. So you will get this IPGovernor underscore bot. Okay, select that bot IPGovernor and click on start. Okay, first process is to go to and find out this alert IPGovernor and click on start. The second process you need to follow is to find out your chat ID. CHAT ID underscore eco underscore bot. Find out this chat ID eco, click on it and start. Once you start, it will give you your chat ID. Okay, you need to copy that chat ID and you need to put this chat ID into your IPGovernor cloud. Okay, so I'll go to my IPGovernor cloud. So this is my login account. I've already logged in. I will go to profile. Okay, in profile, go down. There is a option to mobile key. Okay, properly update your chat ID. So my chat ID is 6588388842. I'll just cross verify. So it's the same 65883842. So make sure there should not be any space or something. Just put that and just click on save. That's it. Your cloud is now ready to communicate with your Telegram application with a simple couple of way. So I'll just tell you what you need to follow here is you have done two things. You find out the alert IPGovernor, you start that and you find out the chat ID with the chat eco ID and you have copied that to your IPGovernor cloud. That's it. Thank you.